It's true. Meta AI has recently partnered with the legendary platform Midjourney to integrate its cutting-edge image and video generation models into Meta's systems. This is a huge win for us creators because now, not only can you use Midjourney for free through Meta AI, but at the moment, there's literally no specific limit on how many images you can create, as you can see right here. That means you can now take your creativity to the next level and make stunning content by taking full advantage of this incredible opportunity. Now, the images you're seeing right now have been generated using Midjourney on Meta AI, and as you can see, they look absolutely stunning. I mean, it's Midjourney, right? It's like the godfather of AI image generation, so the results are bound to be amazing. And in today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can use Meta AI to create amazing images, and I'll also compare the results with those generated directly from Midjourney. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Now, to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll see an interface like this. As you guys already know, you can use Meta AI just like ChatGPT or Gemini for everyday tasks like creating text, correcting grammar, and so on. But today I'm specifically going to show you the image generation feature. To generate images, first click on this plus icon, then choose Create from here. Next, make sure image is selected. After that, you can change the aspect ratio from here. Let's go with this one. In the aesthetics section, you can tweak a few settings if you want, but for now, I'll keep everything at default. Now let's give it a prompt. I'll paste the prompt here. I use ChatGPT for my prompts, by the way. And if you guys want a detailed tutorial on how I create my prompts, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video on that as well. Next, click generate, and it doesn't take much time to create the images, and here is the result. It actually generated 4 different images, and I'm showing you the one I like the most. Now, this looks absolutely stunning. The detail is unbelievable. Every hair, every pore, every scar feels real. The lighting gives it that true cinematic punch, and the warrior design is flawless. The depth of field and skin texture make it look like an actual film still. Meta AI with Midjourney delivered movie-level quality here, and honestly, when it comes to creative or artistic images, Midjourney always comes out on top, and this is what Midjourney created. As you can see, the results are almost identical in terms of look and feel. I'm not entirely sure whether Meta AI is using the latest Midjourney model or not, but in terms of quality, I definitely have no complaints. Now, here's a cool feature you can use. You can also turn your images into videos with just one click. To do that, simply hover over the image you like and click on the animate button. Meta AI will use a smart prompt to animate the video, powered by Midjourney's video model, so the results turn out pretty impressive. And here it is. As you can see, it looks great. It may not be on the same level as Veo or Kling, but it's still really solid, and with this feature, you can create some amazing content. Let's try some other images. This time, I'll paste this prompt and simply click on generate. And here's the output. Wow, the 1940s vibe is perfect. The victory rolls, the red lipstick, the vintage microphone, everything feels authentically retro. The soft bokeh and warm lighting give it classic cinematic charm, like a real jazz club photo from the era. The details in her expression sell it completely. Meta AI with Midjourney nailed it. Here's what I generated directly from the Midjourney website. You all be the judge and let me know what you think. Let's try one more. This time, something realistic. I'll paste the prompt and hit generate. And here's the result. Wow, this looks amazing. It's extremely professional, clean white background, perfect studio lighting, and a model who looks completely real. The tattoos, the relaxed pose, the natural drape of the oversized t-shirt, everything looks like a real fashion catalog photo. Meta AI is delivering commercial-ready content here. Okay, let's test a 2D animation style image. I'll paste the prompts and hit generate. And here it is. Wow. This shot looks like true animation concept art, bold style, strong character design, and cinematic composition. His intense expression, detailed armor, and the army blurred behind him give it real storytelling power. The colors and lighting make it feel production ready. Meta AI with Midjourney nailed it. Just imagine the kind of animated content you'll be able to create with this. You are only limited by your imagination. Now let's do one last test, a 3D animation style. I'll paste the prompt and click generate, and here it is. This character is adorable and beautifully crafted, expressive eyes, detailed curls, clean rendering. The proportions, textures, and lighting all feel like animation studio quality. Meta AI with Midjourney absolutely nailed it. Let's animate this one too. I'll click on animate, and here's the video. Wow. Just look at it. Even with all the dancing and movement, Meta AI manages to animate it without distortions or weird morphing. This is genuinely impressive, and the fact that all of this is free with no limits is just mind-blowing. So make sure you take full advantage of this opportunity and create amazing content. You can also edit your images here, though I haven't tested that feature yet. If you have tried it, let me know how it works. And if anyone knows exactly which Midjourney model Meta AI is using, feel free to drop it in the comments. So there you have it, folks. Midjourney for free, without any limits, only on Meta AI. What are you waiting for? Go try it out now. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.